I wanted to start a series here, make it as basic as I can so that people can understand really why things are working the way they are, not just make cool things on the lathe, right? We're going to start out with talking about cutting in the right direction with grain. We're going to go into each tool and talk about how to use that tool and how you can get in trouble with each of those tools. I think that's probably what I'll focus on, because that's what I've done. I've got in trouble and I've ruined projects, and I've had things that were not safe. So I'll try to show some of those things too. Your comments are going to be vital as we go through this series. If you don't understand a concept, it probably means there's thousands of others that don't understand the concept, and it's probably because I didn't explain it well enough. So please comment, let me know. I will try to come up with a more creative way to explain that concept to you. Like and subscribe to the channel if you want to follow along. I really do appreciate all those that have subscribed. I am a husband and I have 4 kids, and I have a full-time job that's not wood turning and not YouTube. So be patient with me. I would rather put out high quality videos that value your time than to put out a bunch of lower quality videos. So I hope that you are interactive with me. I will respond to all of your comments. I will try to answer all your questions. I really appreciate all the support that you give me. Thanks a lot.